Happy New Year, Stags. I'm Emily Harris.
I'm Sid Masters.
And I'm Layla Woods, and welcome to
StagTV 2026.
Our winter season is running non-stop. As of right now, our varsity basketball girls remain undefeated, so make sure you don't miss out.
Well, coming out in the.
Hi, my name is Emily. Today's toast! I'm making the chocolate mint cookie cups.
Wow, guys, it's getting way heated in here. Hello, I'm Sid Masters. I'm like,
Be for 1 inch, right?
check my recipe, please.
I don't know.
I guess. And I'm making the apple pie bites.
What do you want?
My recipe.
Okay. What about it? Ew, it's gonna be so good. You could make it.
Right,
now.
camera?
It's gonna be so good.
Hi, I'm Layla Woods, and I'm making the butter cake.
And wait, don't add that.
Holy. I got it.
Pixel 8A not enough for you?
Guys, it's so tough being a ginger who's 6 feet tall and has such amazing hair. Dude, my fellow contestants were so nice.
Did you not get sassy with me?
All of a fight.
Of course, my fellow contestants were a bit moody sometimes, but it's just the heat of competition. They loved me, I bet.
Zayd was always in the way. I was trying to get to the flour, but he was too busy making his dough.
Zayd's starting to annoy me. He's standing in the middle by the island the entire time as if he's trying to steal the show of the bacon thing when he knows that I'm gonna be making the best things. Those apple pie bites, couldn't even feed them to my dog.
Everything went well. It was pretty simple for me. I could tell the others were struggling, though.
Dude, some of the most loving people you'll ever talk to. They'd never talk about someone behind their back.
I think that was the most disgusting thing I ever saw him do. You can have, go ahead, you can have the rest of the bowl. I have enough.
Yeah, you have enough,
Enough.
Yeah, he doesn't need to eat any more of that.
Oh, scooping boxes?
Yes! Yes!
I just got my arm up and just jabbed it I'm boxing! I don't have to say.
Yeah, while I was out in the trenches baking, they were just standing around, just talking and doing a whole lot of nothing.
Yeah, but he's pretty skinny, isn't he?
He's pretty skinny, but did you use oil before you put it in?
Yeah.
Yo. Holy, that's actually double season 5 episodes.
It's just, just like chocolate.
Okay. What, can I feed it to you?
Guys.
Outside inside.
Huh? Do they? I suppose.
Never been hurt by raw dough.
Don't tell them that I forgot to bake them.
It was so fun. Just such genuine people, dude. I was having a blast.
Zayd was so annoying.
I know, he was talking during the baking.
You know what? I hope we never have to bake with him again.
Woo, that was intense. But now it's time for the judges to do their taste test.
Whoa. Hey guys, these are mini apple pie bites. Enjoy.
It doesn't really look that great.
Presentation's not great, but
Yeah,
we'll
I don't
see
really
if
know
it
what's happening
kicks
here.
in on taste here.
The apple is weird. It's mushy.
I don't even taste that.
It's not my favorite.
Oh, get out of my sight.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Hey judges, I made chocolate mint cookie bites.
Okay.
It fits the what I wanted, you know, awesome and cute.
Cute ton.
I like it.
That.
That's pretty good.
That was actually
It's
really
better
good.
than whatever this last thing was.
Presentation was great too. Like very beautifully well done. That was a great dish.
I
Thank
agree.
Hi, judges.
Hello.
I made my famous butter cake. It's super moist and has lots of butter, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Me too.
All right. First, off the bat, it doesn't look very fun. So, or cute.
Yeah, that is true. It's like,
It's lacking in presentation.
and there's
It's,
also a chunk missing. Did you
know,
get
it's-
hunger or something while you're walking over
Yeah.
here? Oh, that's really good. So what you lack in presentation, you get back in taste.
Yeah, you really made it up here.
It is moist. I do see where you are coming from. Very moist. 10 out of 10 moist. I feel like Zayd's out. Zayd's out.
He was out before it
Oh,
even started.
rough.
Before it even started,
Extremely
I just
dry.
knew.
Presentation was rough.
Yeah.
See, now the bunt cake, the presentation was rough.
Yeah.
But the flavor, what it lacked in was flavor, and
It
the
did.
cupcakes.
Yes.
The cupcakes had wonderful presentation and wonderful flavor.
I agree.
So it's really between those two.
Me personally, I thought that just because the presentation on whatever Emily made, you know, it was just beautiful
Yes.
and colorful and fun and cute.
That is true.
And so for that reason, I think it should win.
All right, bakers. It was a very tough decision.
The winner is Emily Harris.
You know, my chocolate mint cookie cups weren't even baked, but I cooked them in this competition.
Even though I lost the competition, I still think my dessert was the best.
That talent guy was very critical of my dessert, but let's just say some ginger ate the rest of it after the camera was off.
Congratulations on your big
Thank you!
Congrats.
Thank you!
Oh, you messed up. I forgot.
Congrats, Emily. Until next time, this was the StagTV Bake Off.
Dang, I love bacon. You know, it may still be winter, but you bet there's still gonna be some lightning!
The Acceptance Club hosted a get-together on the 8th, which had lots of food provided by the members.
There's a half day on the 23rd to mark the end of the semester, and on the 28th, it's a late start.
Cheney High School is hosting the solo ensemble on the 31st, where many schools come to gather and perform, so come support our musicians. Man, winter has always been one of my favorite seasons.
Winterfest?
No, I was talking about...
Oh, how I love Winterfest! There's too much to cover! Show the Winterfest clips now, now, now!
And with that, our first StagTV of 2026 comes to a close. Stay tuned for future news.
Be smart.
Be safe.
And be awesome, Stags!